Hi everyone, so today I am doing a little bit of a challenge. I'm going to be letting you guys choose my makeup for today. So I will be going to Instagram and seeing what my followers want me to do. So I'm going to just quickly do my base and everything like that, but there's not really much you guys can choose for that. So I'm just gonna go do that now and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I look like Casper the Ghost. Let's check back and see what you guys want me to do. So first I'm going to start off with brows, and brows is at 60% for pencils. So let's make a start with that. Okay, so for brows I'm going to be using this little tiny, quite literally tiny thing. So this is from a brand called Meech and Mia. It's something that I got in a glossy box. Was it a glossy box or was it a birch box? Can't think. It was one of the two, but I absolutely love it. It's in the shade which is 021. I've tried to find these online if anyone's like selling them, because it's starting to get a little bit worse for wear now, but I can't find the shade. It's always like 3 shades higher or something stupid like that, but this is like my perfect brow colour. Right, now I am not good at brows at all, and I've kind of always said that. I never really looked it up online. I always just follow the shape of my brow, and I've never actually had them done either. I should probably do that, really, shouldn't I? What I always need to remember is brows are sisters and not twins. Now this one I always have problems with, because when I was like 16 I decided, hey, let's pluck our eyebrows, and now I'm just forever left with like a weird bald patch. Well done me. I've got 2 holes for eyes. So the first one is matte or shimmer. At the moment shimmer is at 60% and everyone wants to see matte, bright. This is a struggle because I always go for quite, I don't know, like neutral eye colours. So now I need to find a palette which is like, boom, in your face. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this to the poll because I don't know which one you guys want to see a look from. So the first choice is this very grubby, well-loved palette. So this is the Sleek Vintage Romance palette. Absolutely love that one. And the next one is this one, which is from GWA, and it has a few different bright ones in. Right, okay, so the palette I'm going to go with is this one, which is the one from GWA. I don't know, it's got a fair few shimmers and mattes. I've just had a look on the poll and it's actually changed now, so I'm just like, I'll just do a mix. This is what the palette looks like. I mean, the bloody lighting is gone, but yeah. So it's got like quite a mix. Like I said, I don't really use colourful eyeshadow. I'm just gonna choose the brightest colours I can. So first off, I'm going to use this shade here, which is called Skylight, just as a base, and just go from there. Now the brightest colour in this palette I would probably say is Minx, so I think I'm going to do that as my all over colour. So Minx is like a sort of, is this one here, it's like a reddy corally colour. Bearing in mind I never use colour like that on my lids as a whole colour. I usually use it as like a I don't know, like a crease blending colour. So I don't know, let's see how this turns out. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of Muse, which is this one here. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a gold black mix. It's what I always tend to use as like a corner colour. So let's pop a bit of that in and see how that looks. If you like these sort of videos, then let me know and maybe I'll do more. Originally I was going to get Tobes to, you know, pick the products and then have you guys choose, but he was a little bit occupied, so I ended up just going ahead and doing it the way that I did. But if you do want to participate in anything that I do in the future like this, then I'll leave my links like somewhere around here, probably like up here somewhere. I'm going to pop in a little bit of the brownie color. Oh my god, that's way too much. Oh no. Bang it away. Right, Rebel, which is like a brownie sort of color. So I'm going to pop that in just to try and deepen it up, and then I'm going to blend it out. I think what I'm going to do is, one of my most favourite shades in this palette is Enchanting, which is this one here. It's like a It's like a shimmery champagne colour, and I absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do is pop it on the inner corner, like the inner part of my eye, just so then there's like, I don't know, like a slight transition, maybe. Does that even do anything? Probably not. Right. Now I feel like we need to do a little bit of detailing like down under here. So I think for that I'm going to use this shade here, which is Supernova. I'm just going to use that as like a, I don't know, like an under, like a liner, I suppose. Because I never line my bottom eyelashes, because I find that on my eye shape it just makes it look very heavy, and it makes my eyes a bit tiny. So I tend to almost colour in my eyelashes, but if I were to use mascara on my bottom lashes, then it just looks really weird and spidery, and I just hate it. Absolutely hate it. Something you'll notice that is definitely missing from here is blush and bronzer. Now I don't use blush or bronzer on a daily basis, so I don't have any. So I didn't see the point in like buying some just for this video. Screw it. We're actually going to go in with Solstice, which is the shade below Minx. Does it just make me look like I'm really ill? I'm feeling like it's just made me look like I've got a really horrible cold right now, and it won't leave me alone. So next, liner. Now, you guys said that you wanted winged eyeliner. Just double checking. Yes. Winged liner is a yes. Okay, so I'm just going to line my upper waterline with this, which is the Benefit Waterproof Bad Gal? Yeah, Bad Gal liner. I love this. This is my hands down favourite eyeliner ever. Liquid eyeliner, like you guys requested. So the eyeliner I use is the Maybelline Master Ink, and it just comes in that little funny pot. I haven't worn eyeliner, like liquid eyeliner, in a very long time, so I'm a little bit nervous. So I'm probably going to go off camera, but we'll see. We've got a line. Let's put one on this side and hope they've got that even. Nope. Oh no. Thing is, once you've committed to an angle, you can't really change it. Like, that's kind of messed up, isn't it? Oh dear. Okay, let's fill in the rest. Right. But I'm gonna stop whilst I'm ahead and just accept whatever the hell this is on my face right now. Right, my hands down favourite mascara is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. This is probably getting to the end of its life now, but hey hey. The only thing that could make this look better is if I had false eyelashes, but yet again, I'm very low maintenance when it comes to makeup and stuff like that, so I just don't bother. I don't bother with lashes, fake nails in general, fake tan, just nothing. I kind of like the colour on my eyes, like I have like green eyes obviously, but I don't know, I don't like it. Right, lipsticks. Now my lips, so red is definitely the colour, dark or light is on 50-50, cool, and definitely a matte. So I think with this look, I'm going to go for something a little bit lighter, I think. So I have these two ready. So this one is probably one of my most favourite lipsticks from Bourjois, which is the Rouge Velvet lipstick, which is in the shade Bric-a-Brac. Love these. If you'd like to see a review on the whole range, then I will leave that down below in the comments, because I did write a blog post on that. And the other lipstick is the Soap & Glory Mother Pucker Man Trap. So if I just show you these quickly, that is that one. Then this one, which you'll be able to tell I have used a lot, looks like that. So let's ask you guys and see what you think. It is 60% on Bourjois. So we will be going with this one. Now, I've already moisturised my lips, but I'm gonna sort of like tap a little bit off, because with this one, it doesn't actually stick to your lips like a lipstick should. For my sort of under lipstick lip balm, I use this one from Elizabeth Arden, which is just their 8-hour sort of lipstick. It's just a clear lip balm, basically. That is very bright. I have a little bit of fun with my brows now. To try and deepen these up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through them with the Soap & Glory Archery. So I asked you guys what you guys think I should do with my hair, and personally I don't think anything is going to save this makeup look, so let's just go to you guys anyway. So 60% of you say curly or wavy. Okay, by some miracle I think the hair has kind of saved this. So I've just gone through, really loosely curled my hair. Looks a bit messy, but I kind of like that sort of messy undone curl look. Who used to watch my channel when I used to have a fringe like this, by the way? Like, if you go through my very, very old videos, you will see where I have my hair like this. Which, when I look back on it, it basically looks like a shelf. But yeah, I don't know. I was having a chat earlier about like emo looks and stuff, and this was basically mine, just shelf fringe. I attempted to recreate my old sort of emo days looks. So if you'd like to see that, definitely give this video a thumbs up, so then I can like get on and film that, because I'd be really, really excited to do that. Like, I'd probably even get the makeup that I used to use back then. The Beauty UK palette that had a bright blue and bright pink in were my absolute favourite. So if you like this video and you want to see more, definitely subscribe to this channel. It'd be really, really great if you do. All my social links will be left down below, and any of the products that I used, if I didn't mention them throughout the video, which I probably forgot to. I'm gonna end this video here, and I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!